Me a party back. I know things. Me a catch or say, I will still stand by my word. Bawumia Okoyoko.
Okoko yeding.
Okoropoto, no koko de. Some men say be you. Okoropoto. I do know your mouth for Bawumia. Send NDC per se. Omo grabo MPP. Yeah, just say one and a month pay. 2 MPP.
As someone working a serious. The flag bearer of the
serious
largest opposition party.
And America.
The former vice president.
Also chance.
Ekoyoku.
Also chance.
Sneaky Koyoku.
Also chance. Yes.
And I'll be him now. Yana.
Ome ye juma hondi omunim. Now remarch an on juma wa year for this year no. Mahama buy onu no apija no. Mahama share boss say obey 24 hours economy mewa. Osan share boss say oba oma ID we be obechechire o mewa.
Okay.
Yes, near na apija 24 hours economy no that production intimi nye juma, untimi nye.
Okay.
And no the automatic minimum so untimi nye. But 24 hours economy no betimi atene no e dia court district be assisting region be abenya 24 hours court.
Ni na be right.
And we benya nkofo because I have a list here about 98 people MPP ye prosecute man no lawyer be no betimi job. Say ukuniama awaye no. Enye bi na wayo mi
addressing the report in a video shared on TikTok on August 16, 2026, which is Emra.
Yeah.
The former Director General of National Lottery Authority dismissed the report showing him in Kumasi with popular NDC sympathizer Apia Stadium. Addressing the report, he questioned how he could have been arrested on Saturday, August 15, 2026, when he was in Eastern Region participating in the New Patriotic Party's regional election. Claims, and this is on one animal, claims that I was arrested on Saturday are completely false. Yesterday, we had a regional election, and today, Sunday, I am here in Kumasi.
Oh, boy, no. Oh, no, that. Say your netikruma. See ya cheno. Say yan cheno. Send your make Calamena me boy. Ubiadi and you. One who means say ya in you go from that.
Have you beba?
What was spending 4 days? Oh, and some over money.
No, Umujano Dabain.
Oh, and I say Ufriho Friday numre.
Ufriho Friday numre.
Yes. Into your no Samidi or no him send your work on boy. It's lying. Sunday, Saturday, no. Your friends say. Saturday, no.
No, Eastern Region.
Sunday, no. She would say Thursday, Friday, Wednesday. Mumusan said no way. Now,
he's a sitting member of parliament, and he cannot be arrested until it is channeled through.
Wine the catcher, speaker kind want it.
As a
speaker, then a speaker can speak as so could do in some more. Now, dear, now, you know. Now, we would do Momia Jumama Republic. Do you know the Yoko, the capacity of the Yoko? Why economic crime? Until person what you say, oh no, Omudia Parliament, Muya Jumama Ghana, Bombi Omuya Jumama Ghana. Has a menaki. What fa or mine sika? Or mine sika. Now, we Makabaji, the Ukraina Mukikim, Nadia Samuel, who's also in Yanchina. You are. What the amount now what you in court, now what you next week in court. Yenina would Busumi in Bessono. Say Yachinu Yanchinu.
Sir, alleged arrest, no.
And you alleged. Yachino Tom and Tinkanjam says alleged. I'm not alleged. I'm saying. They are not okay.
Lexis.
Now, wouldn't go to our frame. Communication, our cost. Send you to the Amami can once and be. Oh, I will push me. No one coming more. Oh, Mahakra, and made the faster. Why didn't make the faster? Mechanic Rachel. Massa, don't drag. No, that's how you know, sir. He's lying to people. Who was a Samuel Kujan goes and answered
the offense yet.
Where was a Samuel Swati?
The offense yet.
Only Baba Trouble.
He who alleges must prove it's in the offense. And they say, that would have
the offense now. I say, Yachino. Offense, you bet Yamin prosecuting, you're prosecuting a Babonti. You bet prosecuting. If you're prosecuting a court, in your drew court, I bet your friends a public issue. And so as I say, man, my how I'm crying. Hey, what they say, smarting. Now, Samina, okay, me.
Hey, I say, I know you.
I know nothing.
But then, Ode mame for no send the waka say yen twen no say be say atwom from here yempam danta
yeah
nti yenhwe ne ifiri akire ba ono anso abeyi anu inde it is good that ono anso abeka say
oyi anu say me de me am ka me na me say fa ne de ne to
na me read akire
oh cheka obi na atro ne story
ono ne Facebook ko ti no in a video I post
yo mate sit ya anu maybe so osisi ere
ready
anu maybe so osisi ere
COVID the last time we hear predictions be
from
Kwaku, yeah. It's my friend Kofi na manaka home. The last time we had predictions, especially Ashanti region election, no. Saturday, yeah, Kasana, all Lambasti won to me for.
Friday na.
Friday.
Sep to abani Saturday. Friday na.
After election, na me free one.
Yeah.
Now I want to me for. No, in fact, some kind of saying to me can already. But then, no, you know, so then saying.
Oh, so Ashanti region. Ye ni ekoye ejuma ho. 2016 vote ni nyina ye ni eni wontumi ye ejuma no. Nti boys ye dede ni ade nyina almost atam no mo capacity no mo way. But me hu say nkofo no ebimu omamwa wontumi. Obi te se na nan kansa bodu. Wontumi prison ya kodi na so no say nkasa me nkese nka otumfo gi na akonya finisem.
Na kansa bodu.
SOMPA FM.
Ono the first person na wama wontumi ko prison ono ye na ma.
Oh sir.
Second, any akoya am so communicate ya de bia wo joku ya nko san ko secretary Polando the party
one a joke
oh na Polando na say wo general sunim enyo a wani nka
ai safu ni papa Polando
yeah politics in fin dia grow and it's serious business be serious politics see
secretary Francois
ohun ni onyae
Francois Abreu
ne wu ye nyina won se nkofo de omenihwe ana wonim adwuma wo ye wa hai ni pade omenihwe e kire bia wo be free ha woni ho biema Bible said then ye be kan wo chi nti ne wu ye bia woni oman mu nyina party nkofo akoma wom ikrom ha party sem MPP NDC Kotoko has udi akira obi be kum nkofo akoma nti aden na wo communicate with this party na odi ye joke wo mra nim se party no oppositions wo sua de wo ye learner wo sua de e de information bre wo party a na wo ti Ashanti region ye constitute
Poyando ye joke
ona wo de wonim he's a joker na sasa o man kasa o man aka ono aka ono anenim cross wo hu se nkofo embarrassed no so what I say it's no we to me dey make kind some moment to mapo no Tomapola
mo katia
baby Tomapola na say person still party no munye madwen because sisi no dynamic and this for baby o mawura sisi a o manya 33 Mess benya 28 and san which me win Ashanti region Mahama benya 28.5 we from 28.5 from jump to 33 into next time no omo ko 50% omo ne mo ebechema na aso mbebi timo na wo hwe niam nso omo ye na omo Ashanti region no MPP no hone ye mo stronghold no muntimi penetrate wo voter wo no baby e yo mo songo be o ma penetrate wa inti den na mo be ya mo betimi aka me om down so what I say ne mo betimi aye na mo be ye we no chairman ne say e bia nyame adoma na ode ne ho atimi abi hu mo bo no esi party office party ni nyina obi asori a o ma ye adwuma o ma enya adwuma party office when nkofo ba be drop in yama sisi money party office when it come to Ashanti region I want to me gwan num say one question cancer na cancer o mu si party office o ma je iron horse o ma je cement amanfo contribute jombo du kra contribute 100,000 ni nyina mu dis kana
oh samu
who one na cancer bodu na yes am
you can't
any allegation take it from me me can't allegation because hard for me say no ba kasa wi yes sign no I had o mo ye na party office na way ba mo jiska omo je iron ross omo je cement at the end of the day no party no crofro mu de na esi no party office no ni wura na je harin waje na de inti sankofo ya untumi tena TV so a no wo kansam inti look at Mora Sampa yen ni untumi na Mora Sampa no way na ne yire wuma wo dam so ma ha ono ne ode tokoko kra wonya bi lawyer ni a wa ye law be more than 25 years as a way hwe ne kasa na ne law no na yen so ya yen ye lawyers ne yen kasa sei wonso ne wo ye nyina untumi amfa lawyer te wa ben dia nkofa ne wo ye nyina when case ben ne wo kroma wate se obi dia Mora Sampa no wi ni ne publish case ya publish wo graphic ma wo till lawyers bi ho ati omudia wate Mora Sampa din cases bi mzada no lawyer ni yese we officer in court we law practice de bia wo sua de bia na wo ti media me no me enu de some fan say yenya Ghana ho da je lawyer ni de wo defend wa koswe se wo be defend any client bia nti wo wadwuma wo ye wo court dem ho no we officer in court enye yi de say ye beji obi afi lawyer ni nsem na ye jeli na ya remind no be me no me enu ko gina wo sisi a bibi be ho an ye buagu so what I say nti kind of people na edi untumi echi no ane ewie ni say mo se mo pese Bruni beka say your friend say omo mpese ye koje ye bia hai me beto bibi me we say pese human interface ni free wa ye pese wuntumi faces ni na e free o na party ne de ne ho Ashanti region because MPP ne need also na Ashanti region it's all the sankofu we ba o pese o chese kokofu na o koka say kokofu meye party chairman wo aselo ye ni wedding kan wo ye MP wa be chairman wo bantama wasan be MP wo bantama wo wie ya wo se afiri wo wa be boss wo say wa be CEO wo APA wo wie a EPA oni me ya wo firi ho o de aban sika $3 million ekoye investment na na do pamon no ya wo frɛ na frɛ no so on de o kasa tse nem kase frɛ na bi san se kwan be na fa so e pamon no oh sir wo de frɛ na se de na o ye ma e pamon no
Kwaku na wo kan
me se o frɛ na abusan se de na o ye ofa na yesu ko EPA no de na o ye ya na do sacrament na e den ye pesi ye hu that's it so na o do ho about public domain that's it
Kwaku na wo kan sem
de bi me se media se mbusa o frɛ na no obi dan so ofa yesu ko EPA no wo de aban sig EPA sika bi ko ye investment ene ye pamon ye beje no de amakene
ama la ya keke se asre ei
Mahamudu ni sha no onye strategic onye o de hwe say untumi ya che papa de na koto friends this man and finance minister atofo court say parliament nyina bokoto no mukuja na court meboa no kroma no mu wi a o maba eche unity onuado nti ofin se nka me no unity na ya te se Bawumia ne yire enyine di untumi echa ko wura court dem ba ko mienu kenye news kese na ye jeli ne de o ma hunu nyansa hunu kwan court ne nsa wo mo hene kwan wa etimi ko sira no nsa mo na wo ka chem se wo onye strategic onye obi a politics no eye uba me di no Bawumia no wo ko busa nkwala akura se hwan na MPP frat brother with school ma o mu no na wan nti wo Ghana ya odi anka be ma Bawumia be president Obama na be president
the Ghanaian populace will decide
media men ka ho why na ka to say Ghana for president Bawumia be president
exam
be o monye se go for nka no ngire say but we die go for nka be we die go for ka
so mo ma Bawumia be president
no na how
o pe Bawumia
baby how enye you nobody accept it how ni o why say Bawumia president ya why say Semela na first lady Ghana for Maya biblibi wukru me ye de won citizen are you telling me near the Bawumia na ba be president of
so because we nyane lawyer keke se be sisi a
we say minu no o nim say o ye officer in court o ye officer in media tell no one say o expose o
oh sir
no really you hardly to who say lawyer ni interact with we no onye omni de no so omo de omo kire omo bobre in court